Hey guys, so I am here today to talk to you about one of Jujubee's ever collection bags called the Forever Backpack. I have this here in the stone color. Now, I have had several PU or faux leather bags before, and this is one, the collection that Jujubee released to kind of address that style. And I wanted to try it out because there has been quite kind of a hype on these bags. It is a new style, new kind of thing that Jujubee is doing, going more into, I guess, the fancier kind of adult style looking bags. And before I brought this to Zara My Boutique, I wanted to try it out myself and kind of see what I thought of it and whether it was worth it. So I did pack this up today, took it out with my daughter, went shopping, walked around the mall, all that kind of jazz. And there are a few things I like about the bag and a few things I really don't like about the bag. And you know me, I do honest reviews. Even though this may be something that I might stock at my store, I still want to give my opinion on it, because what I like or what I don't like about something isn't necessarily what everybody else is going to think about it. But it'll give you something to think about, right? To kind of, you know, look at if you're looking at this type of bag. So the type of leather that is on here, or faux leather, it is pebbled. So it isn't the smoothest. It's decent quality, I'd say. It's not bad. And the style, the look of the bag, I'm not too sure on. It's okay. I mean, I own Lily Jade bags, and I've owned Azaria and Fawn Design, and so I have owned a lot of different leather and faux leather looking bags. So this one is kind of, it's not high up on my list, but it's not the worst that I've seen either. Overall, it is kind of pretty. It's a pretty color gray. The hardware, the little Jujubee logo that they put here is actually kind of nice. It's a nice touch. It's raised from the leather. The hardware on the bag is silver, and the zippers aren't bad. Now, okay, so there is a nylon zipper back here that has the change pad, and the change pad's a nice kind of squishy, not too thick change pad. But the rest of the zippers are metal, and the actual zipper pulls are nice, if you can see that at all. So they're nice quality, and they do say Jujubee on there, which is nice. And all the other zippers, like the zipper on the top here, the zipper at the front here is fine. The only zipper I have problems with is this main one. And I don't know if it's because it's something I have to work, you know, kind of work in. Now, unzipping it's fine, okay? I can unzip it, no problem whatsoever. But because there isn't any grab handle on the top here to kind of grab and zip, this zipping it up is actually kind of difficult. It might be something I just have to get used to, but I did not enjoy zipping this bag up in this main section here. Yeah, so I mean, if I just unzipped it like this and grabbed stuff out, it's not bad. But this is the main thing that really kind of got to me today, was this zipper. These bottle pockets are slightly pointless. I'll be honest, they're a little bit pointless for bottles. They fit other things in here fine, like I put my tissues in here on one side. I actually fit my sunglasses in here, so that's a really kind of cool place to put your sunglasses. And then on the other side, yeah, it's empty at the moment, but you know, so you can put other things, like I can put my phone in here, like here's my iPhone 10, that fits in there perfect, you know, if you want a place for your phone. So those, yeah, I don't know, well, they feel insulated. I'm pretty sure they're insulated. Now, as far as what fits in there, I've got a Go Stack here by Blender Bottle. Those fit into the bottle pocket. But again, you kind of got to work your fingers in there, and that fits in there fine. The regular Fontainers do fit in there fine, but you kind of got to, unless you got a little bit that pops up that you can pull out, they can be a real pain to get out, because if you squish them all the way down, then you kind of got to pop the lid and pull them out. And I do like the organization in the main section of the bag, and I do like how this flaps back like this. I think that's really cool because you can get into it really, really easy. The lining is okay. It's not the thickest lining. It's a very thin lining. It does have what looks like square kind of spiral, but the Organization on the inside is actually kind of nifty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the camera up for you guys and I'll show you how I packed it. And I just packed it for Clara and I am a minimal packer, but you can fit quite a lot in here. So this will kind of give you an idea of, you know, what it's like, what you might want to pack in there, that type of thing. So yeah, so let's get started on that portion of the video. Hi, Khaleesi. I think she wants something. 1 second, I gotta go feed the cat. Okay, back. Normally when she comes and is all affectionate, it's because she wants something. She's not usually affectionate like that. Okay, so I did pack this up for Clara and myself for one child in nappy. She's 2.5. So there is a pocket at the front here, and this is kind of a roomy pocket. The zipper there is nice. It does come up a little bit up here, and in here I just had my small set piece of my lipstick and lip gloss in there, and I just popped my keys in there too. Just be aware when you do put your hand in and out of here, you could scratch yourself on the zipper. That's just one thing. Otherwise, it is a very, very roomy pocket. You could fit definitely more in there. There are bottle pockets on each side that are very thin. They don't come out very much. They are magnetic closed with this flap here, so that's nice. But then when you've got bottle pockets in there, when you've got bottles in there, it won't shut. There is a D-ring here, so you can hang this to the pram if you've got a stroller with stroller hooks. No messenger strap included, but then again, it is a backpack, so it would look a little weird with a messenger strap anyways. The back here, you do have these nice kind of semi-padded backpack straps, and you do have silver hardware, which is kind of cool. Attaches on the side here. You do have a zip pocket here. There is a change pad that comes with the bag that is squishy, but you know, not too thick. I just left that in there. This is a nice nylon smooth zipper. I don't have any problem with that one. There's a zip compartment at the top here that is felt lined, so that kind of goes in the flap section of the bag, so it's for your phone or your tech gear. Now we'll go into the center of the bag now so I can show you how that is packed. And as I said earlier, the zippers are fine unzipping this way, and I do like how it zips open, and it easily flops back and you can see directly into the bag very, very easily. It has lots of pockets and organization, which is kind of nifty. I do appreciate that. There is a slip pocket back here which is slightly padded, so that's designed I guess for your laptop or iPad. I just had my nappies. I had 2 size 5 disposable nappies just slid back there because you know I use disposables. And I'll just take out the things in the center first and then show you the pockets. It's probably the easiest. So in the main section of the bag, I do have a small set piece with some toys inside. I have a play pack with some crayons and just some paper and stickers, and I do have my Funtainer. Okay, so I did have this in the pocket, so let me see, I'll show you what it looks like in the pocket real quick. So you can get it in, you just kind of gotta, and it does go all the way down, and that does basically shut. So if you have it in there, that's kind of what it looks like on the side. So I mean, you could if you wanted to, I mean, but getting it out, as I said, is difficult. So if you've got one of the little handles that pop up, that's easier. Otherwise I basically have to pop the lid up and then pull it out, but it will go into the center of the bag just fine for me. Now the pockets, you have one kind of, turn this way so you might be able to see better. I have one kind of like long elastic kind of floppy-ish pocket at the front here, and that's just where I put my Lily Jade wallet, full-size wallet. I didn't have anything else in that pocket, but I guess you could put nappies in there. I'm pretty sure that's what that's for. So here are my size 5 nappies. You can pop those into that pocket, and that works great like that as well if you wanted to do that. The rest of the pockets, there's a pocket up the top here, little pocket. Then there's the same pocket, it's kind of hard to see, but it's down the bottom here. And then the same on this side, so you've got one pocket there and then another one down the bottom underneath it, same size. So it's about the same, it's about the size of a small set piece, jujube size wise. And then in the back here, there's 2 slip pockets. So my Y pouch fit in one of those pockets there, and then my small set piece and my hand sanitizer fit perfect in the other one. And in these little pockets on the side here, on one side I've got some snacks. I've just got like a little packet of biscuits and some mints. And then down the bottom here, I have a coin purse with my hairbrush and hair ties. This side I have my Baby Olay shopping tote. And then on the bottom here I have another coin purse with some disposable baggies. So I did really like having these separated pockets here. It made organizing the bag really, really easy. So let me just pack up the rest of the stuff so you can see how well it all goes in. So I do like how this bag organizes your items. It does have some really cool features. There are a few things that I think they could improve on, such as the zippers. Maybe put a little handle here just to kind of help grab the bag a little bit, and that might help zip. So if you have something to kind of grab on there and then zip, it makes it easy to zip. And then I don't know, maybe this kind of have this join a little bit better. Those are just some suggestions that I would look at. Otherwise, see, I mean, I think maybe if I just work the zipper a little bit over and over, it might loosen up. Sometimes zippers are like that, but for now that was probably the only thing that I really kind of didn't like about it. The bottle pockets, I just, you know, resolved that I just put bottles inside the bag. There are a few bags that I do that with, so I'm really not fussed on that at all. They kind of look nice and slimline next to the bag. Sometimes bottles sticking out on the sides of bags actually are not my thing, so that didn't really bother me. And I don't know, it's growing on me. There are feet on the bottom too, which is nice, so that protects the bag as well. I'm just curious on how this is going to go, as I said, with the peeling of the faux leather. I have some Fawn Design issues with my mini of it peeling, and I'm curious in how they've coated this bag, so that'll be something over time that people might want to look out for. And I'll, you know, I'm kind of curious to see what people say about it and how this particular bag wears. But there you go. So I just thought I'd give you a little packing video and review and thoughts on the Forever Backpack by Jujube. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below. I'll be happy to look at those. If you are a customer with Zara Boutique and this is something that you think you would like to try, send me a message on my Facebook page. I will put the link down below for that, and I could maybe special order one in for you. I don't know if it's something I will regularly stock at the moment, because I do have a lot of other brands with backpacks and things. So, but if somebody is really interested in one, of course, just let me know and I'll see what I can do for you guys. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.